Hi everyone, this is Akshay Pujari. I have been an active market participant since last 10 years, investor and trader. Basically, stock market is my passion, so I have also completed my MBA in portfolio management. And I believe in disciplined and systematic trading. That is why I have been trading on fixed setups and disciplined set of rules since 2017. So about my stock market journey, by God's grace, it has been very good, especially after 2017. May 2017 was the month which changed my perception towards trading. Basically, Trading for a Living, a book by Dr. Alexander Elder, it changed my view towards trading as a game or as a business. So it brought up the importance of risk reward ratio over the success ratio of trades. It brought up the importance of trading psychology in trading and investing in business. So since then, since May 2017, it has been pretty good. Even before that, I used to trade good. It was a pretty good experience as well. But it was a life changing thing for me. There are also other couple of books which I will mention later on. But Trading for a Living is a must read book for every trader and investor, that I would like to say. So after trading pretty good, I also started advising others about the trading to my friends and others. I also started my Telegram channel in 2019. I also started posting my charts, my analysis on Twitter, and got a pretty good response on Twitter and other social media sites. And those who follow me on Invest with Tribe, they pretty well know that in last 5 months we have generated returns of 21.59% by simply trading with fixed set of rules and by simply trading with discipline in swing and positional trading. Talking about my learnings from the stock market, I'd like to share three of the important learnings that I got from the stock market. The first one is, after trading with so many setups, after trading with so many indicators, after trading with so many analysis paralysis thing, basically I got to know that simple things work like a charm in stock market. Keep your setup, keep your trading rules as simple as possible. It will help you in the long run for sure. Second learning would be, it's a bit different learning, but it's pretty important. Second learning is your mental peace. It is very much important while trading. So when I started meditating, it helped me a lot in making trading decisions. It helped me a lot in the live market noise that we all observe. So start meditating if you are not. It will help you a lot, not just in trading but overall in the game of life. And third and most important learning was mindset and psychology. So we focus on technical analysis, we focus on fundamental analysis and whatnot, but we fairly ignore the importance of mindset and psychology while trading or even investing. So mindset and psychology is very much important while making trading decisions, and it has been explained in a very good manner by Dr. Alexander Elder in his book Trading for a Living. There are also other books emphasizing the importance of mindset and psychology in trading. But for me, the holy grail in stock market that we all look for, that is the mindset and psychology. So my prediction about the stock market for the upcoming days and upcoming years would be, 2023 is going to be a pretty good year for stock market, because we have witnessed that the year prior to the election, it gives a pretty good rally. So 2023 is going to be a good year for the bulls and for all the retail investors and traders as well, I believe. 2024 can be a slight bearish, or you can say the sideways year, because we have got the election in that year. And 2025 will open the new doors for Indian economy for the stock market as well. And I am pretty much sure that we will see a mark of 20,000 for Nifty in coming days or months, I believe. And instead of going index specific or doing stock sips and everything, I believe in going stock specific. So irrespective of the year, irrespective of the overall market trend and everything, if we go stock specific, we can surely get more than enough return for us, for our portfolio, for sure, if we go stock specific. And another thing I would like to add here is, I have also covered one video about the upcoming market scenario, which has also covered the Great Depression from the US market. And I have analyzed the US market and Indian market in that video in depth. and I have been also sharing stock specific opportunities on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested more in my view about the stock market, about my stock specific selections, you can simply check out my YouTube channel. It will give you a pretty good idea. So talking about my best trades, one of the trade that is pretty much close to my heart is Lotus Labs. It is my first multi-bagger that I identified basically. So I bought it after a cup and handle breakout and based on cancelling theory in May 2020 around 438. It's a price before stock split, and it gave a massive gain of more than 400%, at most 600% in just a couple of years. So it was the best trade till date I traded. Then some of the best investments would be Wipro, Motherson Sumi, and Ashok Leyland, and even Ugar Sugar. But I'd like to make you go through some of the screens that will explain my best trades to you. So Alkyl Amines, ISFT, Vaibhav Global, Sonata Software, Advanced Enzyme was also a pretty good trade. Quick Heal was a pretty good trade, which gave almost more than 100% rally. So what I believe is, I try to go for the footprints of FIDs and the big players, and then I entered into that stock, and I exit after 100 and 120% rally in that stock. So that is what I basically follow. I follow another pattern which is called the volatility contraction pattern. I'd like to show that to you. This is now the weekly chart of ISFT, and it is showcasing the volatility contraction pattern that I follow, and it gives almost 80 to 100% rally whenever we get it spot on. So this was another example of VCP ISFT. And some of the good stocks would be Shanti Gas. It was a fundamental pick. Jindal Stainless was a good pick. After that, you can simply pause the screen and look at the holdings and look at the stock names if you want to. I'll just go through some screens here. So Karur Vaish was a pretty good trade. Bajaj Electricals was a pretty good trade. We booked profit at 120% gains. GDP was a pretty good trade. Havells, Advanced Enzyme, Quick Heal. We booked some partial profits at 50% and we booked full at 100%. And these are some of the pretty good trades that I have been talking about. Munjal Auto was a pretty good trade. LT Foods, Dawat, it was also a pretty good one. And I guess KPR Mills was a pretty good trade. Vaibhav Global and Alkyl Amines. Alkyl Amines was recommended, you can see here along with the date. Date is also mentioned there, 5th of August 2020. So it was recommended based on a VCB breakout, and we took it around 2460, and it went up to 8,000 just within a matter of months. So even the Vaibhav Global stock, it gave somewhere around 274% gains. And I'm proud that 2021 best picks or the best performance of 2021. So out of those 10 top stocks, I was able to, by God's grace, I was able to identify 4 of them: the Tata Elxsi, Vaibhav Global, Alkyl Amines, and Tata Communications, as you can see here. And another one pretty good trade. I had not allocated much amount in that stock, but it was a pretty good trade, the Birlasoft. It also gave more than 300% returns, just like Tata Power. So these were some of the best, or you can say some of the good trades that I traded for. And of course I also talked about the best investment stocks that I got a good rally in. But I'm more of a trader than an investor, because I like to shuffle in between the stocks. I like to actually book the profits, and I like to enjoy those profits as well. So the best trade till date was Lotus Labs, and some of the similar kind of trades would be Alkyl Amines, Vaibhav Global, Tata Communications, and Birlasoft for that matter. Even Tata Coffee, yes, I missed that one, and Bajaj Electricals. So this is pretty much about my best trades. But you can simply go on my TradingView feed. I have actually, there have been more than 189 ideas that I have posted about the stocks, and most of them have got a pretty good result. So you can simply go on TradingView and check my feed. You can also go on Twitter. You can also check out my YouTube channel for my stocks or my holdings as well. So that's it from my side about my best trades. The set of advice for the new traders and new entrants in the stock market. The first one is start as early as possible. The second one is do not look at it as a gambling game. Look at it as your trading business. Okay, and try to learn new things in the stock market. Try to read books about the stock market. Try to interact with the existing traders who are actually doing pretty good. uh, Very much information is available, more than enough information is available on social media, on Twitter, let it be YouTube and everything. So pick the best set of advice, pick the best set of learnings for yourself. And it's an investment era, so sorry, information era. So basically a lot of information is available, but do not go for analysis paralysis. Trying out so many things at one time, that doesn't work in the stock market. So decide your set of rules, decide your system driven policies, or decide your discipline trading, and develop your own set of parameters before entering or before exiting out of any stock if you're trading or investing. So keep it as systematic as possible, keep it as emotionless as possible, and ultimately it will definitely flourish the trading and investing journey. And every day is a new day for a trader and investor, and every day the market tries to teach us something new. Market is ultimately supreme, no one can guarantee it. So keep your position size in such that it won't hamper your sleep at night, and it won't hamper your life as a whole when even if it bounces back on you. So that's all from my side, I guess. Thanks a lot to Invest with Tribe for this opportunity to have this interaction. All the very best to all those who are watching this video. Thank you so much. Happy trading and investing.